So you guys, my husband decided that he is going in the kitchen. My husband is in the kitchen. And over mouth and then sanitize, please. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon.
Mama?
Yes?
I'm going to show you something when I finish sanitize.
You guys, I am. It's a brand new day. Hold on, I'm talking to the face a little bit and then I talk to you, okay? You guys, it's a brand new day and my voice is still. I can't be the vibrant, loud Melissa like I want to be. The more I talk is the more my voice hurt, my throat hurt, and I am doing a little bit better this morning than last night. My night was rough. My night was really rough. I had to wake up and use some lemon. I don't know why I didn't use the lemon from yesterday, but the lemon helped. The lemon bring up so much from my throat last night. I must say, like early this morning, like about almost 1 o'clock. So my throat is doing a lot better right now than how it was last night because of the lemon. Tyler, on the other hand, he didn't have such a good night the early part of the night, but as the night progresses he actually slept. He woke up crying at one point and I had to go flush his nose and give him some more medicine. So he's up and being bubbly as usual in the day. Sarah, on the other hand, is the best of the three of us. She had a very good night. She only woke one time for her midnight bottle and went back and woke this morning at 6 for breakfast. And then went back to sleep and then she got up at 8. And she's in her chair right now. You guys hear her? Yeah. That's how all the three of us are doing. Babe, on the other hand, just got out of bed and is in the bathroom getting ready to go to the supermarket to make a quick run for me because he did get my plantain yesterday and I need lemon because only one lemon I had in the fridge. So you have to go pick up a few bags of lemon for me. I need them now because Tyler needs to get lemon and honey and I need lemon for my throat. So I'm in the kitchen right now making breakfast. I am making some banana fritters because I had some overripe banana in the fridge. So I'm making some banana fritters and that's gonna go with some eggs and bacon and they can have breakfast and be well on his way to the store for me. And then I'm just gonna jump into lunch and dinner right away and get out of the kitchen. But my girl is screaming. Can you go in Sarah's bed for her passy for me and give it to her, please? So yeah, that's what's up right now. Hopefully we're gonna have a good day. Sarah is in her chair screaming. Sarah? 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 Cuckoo! Hopefully you guys are having a good day and is doing better than I am doing today. Even though I have a life, that's most important. That's all that matters. So enjoy the rest of your day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And I'm going to finish up breakfast and carry on with the rest of my day. You guys will see the kids and babe in a bit. So if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with us. We love you guys. And I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog.
Today's a new day. Family get worse, right? Family get worse. I'm still with Sarah, the one that for now we're feeling okay. Let's see how today gonna turn. I have some things to do, but how to start a good day with a great breakfast. Baby's not feeling good, but she still make great breakfast. Trust me.
Tell us the morning to the fans.
Morning, camera.
Today's Super Bowl.
Oh.
You stay up and watch Super Bowl.
Oh, me. Princess. Don't want to leave you out of the eating. After them not bright. Say morning to the face. Say morning to the face, fat face. Look, here. Say morning. No, you just want to watch Paw Patrol. Say morning, face.
Coming.
Anyway, you guys, breakfast is ready and we're gonna grow.
Hey guys, well, it's almost midday. The family is sick, so I went in the road to get them some little stuff to make them happy and to take care of them. We have a Jamaican family, so when somebody not feeling good, lemon and honey. I don't know if it's only Jamaican, but well, I have a Jamaican wife and that's all she asked for. Honey, honey, honey. Well, she's not calling me. She said honey and lemon. So I get 3 packs of lemon. Let's see how it's gonna last. I get some plantain. They look nice. I'm proud of me today. I'm proud of me today. Yeah, when you're gonna see them, you maybe you tell me, but babe, they're almost spoiled or they're not good or all of this. Let me be proud before you see anything. So yeah, that's my moment of pride. I get some plantain, some rice. I wanted to get a big pack of 10 kg, but that was the biggest one. They didn't have none today. Get some pancake for Tyler. Well, they give me that at the supermarket. They give that to everybody, not only to me. I don't know if somebody eat that. I don't even know how that called that in English.
Radish.
Oh, radish? Oh. Okay, radis in French. Yep, it's written here. Radis. So there. Some green bean and surprise, what's that? I feel good today. I said I feel good, I feel confident. So let's see if it tastes good. Finger crossed. Do I need to tell them what it is? Do I need to tell them what it is? Do I need to tell you what it is? Do I really need to tell you what it is? No. No. She's wicked. Alright, catch you guys soon.
Princess is having lunch. She's halfway in already. For lunch today she's having rice, broccoli, green beans, and potato. And fish. No, that's her sister eating now. This is what it looks like. And she loved it.
I like the color.
Me too. I was afraid that she wasn't gonna eat it because the consistency, the texture is different from what she used to. Because of the rice. But she's all in. My girl is all in. And then because I blended it from last night, so you know that the rice set thick. But you love it. You see here was full? Here was full? This side was full. All the way around. So you guys, my wonderful husband went out this morning and got me a few things at the store, and he saw breadfruit and he got me one that looks good on the outside, but always we don't have many lucks with breadfruit. But for some reason, whenever babe go to the store and carry me back breadfruit, it's always a good one. So I throw it in the oven right away and roast it, and now I'm gonna peel it and see how good it is. However, we don't like roast breadfruit ready to eat unless it's yellow and moist and juicy, and you really don't find those here unless you're back home. So these here, whenever we roast them, we always fry them back. So, moment of truth. It feels good though, but doesn't look too bad. I remember the last time he got me one while I was pregnant. Oh. He got me one when I was pregnant and it was so good. So this one doesn't look too bad at all. Why? Like a fire. I just take it out of the oven and I'm peeling it to see if I know babe will be happy if we can have it for lunch. So I'm peeling it right now, and then I'm gonna fry it back. The thing with babe is that he always tries to surprise me with something whenever he goes out alone and I don't go with him. That's something I like about him. Ooh. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. It looks eatable, to say the least. Now let's see on the inside. Okay. So this is actually a boiling breadfruit. You know, cooking breadfruit looks different from roasting breadfruit. So when it fry back, it will be okay. So I'm gonna do that and let him enjoy it for lunch. And I have some stewed chicken left over from what I cooked yesterday. So it's perfect. You'll be happy. I wouldn't eat this just roasted like that. But to fry it back, it would be good. It would be good in if it was cooked in soup, but I'm not a fan of cooked breadfruit. I mean boiled breadfruit. But fried breadfruit, I'll take it any day, and babe prefers the same too. Whew, it's so hot. There we go. One plate of brèche. Okay.
Didn't fall off it in the bin?
No, it's boiling breadfruit, but it can eat as roasting.
Okay.
Fry back will be fine.
Okay. You're not too disappointed?
I'm not disappointed at all. Look who is in a new toy. Listen, you guys, I went for Tyler Walker just now and realized that something is wrong with it, which I didn't know before I put it in the garage, or else I would have buy Sarah a new one. And I improvised with fixing it with a shoelace. With a shoelace, and use the screw and fix something under the bottom. But it works, girl. And Sarah is enjoying every bit of her walker. My girl is in walker. Sarah! Well, she have another one. She have a new one, but not this kind, which she's not ready for just yet. So this is stage 1 of her walk. The new one shall come out in about 2 months. Sarah? Toodles! You like it, Toodles? Yes! Yes! You like it! You like it? So you guys, my husband decided that he is going in the kitchen. My husband is in the kitchen making crepe. He's trying to make crepe. He says it's the period for crepe in France right now. Today? So today's crepe is the day of crepe. So he's trying to make crepe. He's trying. So that is the first one. Or that's the second one.
That's the first one.
The first one is in the corner over there. But it smells good. It smells good. Have a lot of butter here. He's gonna bask in crepe glory. I'm not a crepe fan, so I guess he and Tyler will enjoy these. And I don't think Tyler gonna eat much either because he's still not feeling well. So baby's in the kitchen doing crepe. He's honoring his crepe day. Let's see the flip. Let's see the flip. Oh baby, come on, get it together. Yeah. Oh. Ah, good job.
Slowly.
Crepe chef.
Slowly.
Crepe chef, I want to taste it. It look nice though, baby. Well, I said he wasn't gonna eat any, and I just said, Tyler, you want crepe? And look him reach in the kitchen. Look at your nose.
With syrup.
You want crepe with syrup?
Yeah.
Alright, go and sit at the table. Go get Mushu and wipe your nose and sit at the table. He's excited. So, here goes your first customer. But I must, well, a second customer, because I taste one and I said I wasn't going to eat any. But I think I changed my mind. Yeah. The crepe win me over. Crepe chef, you need to move faster. You see, if you move faster, you'll be able to cover all your holes. Okay, crepe chef?
Okay, crepe.
How is it, Ty? It's good. I second the motion. Well done, honey. Wow, mine look neat too. Look. Look how neat my crepe look. Baby, a crepe a shot. Crepe chef. Gonna take my first bite. But honestly,
You good?
the texture, whatever you did, you need to remember. Very good.
C'est gentil. Dis-moi, Papa, puisque tout est arrangé, tu peux nous remorquer jusque chez nous?
Mais ce sera avec grand plaisir, ma chère amie. Attrape-moi ça, capitaine.
Tyler, c'est bon?
Yes, Sarah, so kid.
Le sirop d'érable.
Okay.
Baby,
You like it?
this is the best crepe I've had at home.
You're at home.
Because we've tried it many times before and
I
failed.
have to go.
Go. Put it on.
Yep. It's on.
Baby, it tastes good. No lie.
Baba,
You did well. Cat Tyler, with the crepe gone.
In my stomach.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
They say Tyler is sick. Tyler not gonna eat much. They should have done more.
You want more? Hey. La 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 la.
You say yes?
Yes, him say yes. You want one more?
Yes.
That's okay. This
What?
one.
the TV?
But you have enough mixer remain. I can get at least 4 or 5.
No, two.
What's wrong to the TV?
That's okay. Yeah, maybe 4.
What's wrong to the TV?
I soon fix it. Eat first. I can't believe you tell her eat out the curb in a 2 seconds.
You turn.
And I said tell her sick he's not gonna eat much.
Tell the sick not gonna give much. You just
I said
turn.
tell her sick and he's not gonna eat much. And I tell her the curb and turn my back and it finish. Because the texture is bomb. It tastes like the one we buy on the road. Watch him face. I've never seen him this happy.
Well, if tomorrow is sad, you know what to do.
No, you're gonna do it. Crepe show. I guess everybody's happy. Tyler is on his second crepe. Baby's on his second crepe too.
Yeah, and the first one, that was the mess.
And Tyler look like he want more. Don't do that, Tyler. Go and sit.
Well, looks like they won't have none for breakfast.
Oh, this one burning. Come and take it out.
Yep, yeah, but if you come to my way, no bad.
So, I guess it's safe to say that Babe will have to do this over with me so we can film it and share Babe's technique and recipe with you guys. How about that, honey? What say you?
Well, we can't do that.
Yes. Yes. How was Papa crepe?
It was yummy.
From 1 to 10, how many did you give Papa?
What?
From score 1 to 10, how many you give Papa? 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. How much you give Papa?
100.
I agree, Tyler. I agree. The crepe is bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb.
Bam, bam, bam.
Right, Sarah? Even Sarah had crepe. Anyway, you guys, that's it. That's where we're gonna leave it for today's vlog. We're gonna sign out right now because we won't be doing nothing else for the rest of today. So if you guys enjoyed today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with us.
Catch up and keep up for some videos with some direct from Canada.
Tyler is hilarious. And Sarah can't get enough of him. Anyway, you guys. Look at him making me happy. Anyway, you guys, we'll see y'all tomorrow.